There is a place up here where time forgets to flow and the world becomes a blank canvas once again. Far from the noise of pre-written steps, mankind has always chased the edge of the horizon, not to escape, but to be found. What lies beyond the final turn? What drives us into the great unknown, where the air grows colder and the silence runs deeper? Listen, this isn't just the heartbeat of a machine. It is the sound of freedom reclaiming its space, a solemn pact between iron, asphalt, and earth. The world below remains still, a keeper of past stories. But the road climbs. It demands courage. It asks you to forget the familiar, to embrace the unseen. Because the true destination is never a place on a map. It is the vertigo of realizing that right before you, everything has yet to be discovered. Stop. Breathe. You are exactly where you were meant to be. Free.